Hi everyone, my name is Mark and I want to present this work I have done together with my colleagues Maximilian Altmaier, Dominik Buchheit and Pascal Lesse about investigating user-created gamification in an image tagging task. As researchers in the gamification area, we are interested in individualization of gamification elements with regard to the user and investigated customization as a tool to increase effectiveness among other approaches. In the past, next to top-down gamification, where users are given a predefined set of game elements, we took a step into so-called bottom-up gamification, where users can put together game elements from a given pool on their own. Now, with this paper, we wanted to investigate the impact of gamification conceptualized by users from scratch without limiting them to a predefined set of game elements. So, in our study, we gave our participants the opportunity to come up with their own idea of how to gamify image tagging. They wrote down their concepts, after which we implemented them and re-invited the participants, whom we asked to actually tag images with their own gamification now. To get an idea how users performed with this novel approach, we added 3 additional conditions where we drew comparisons to top-down gamification using points and a leaderboard, to top-down gamification using one of the user-created gamifications, and to one last condition using no gamification at all. All of them were set in the same image tagging context. We measured task performance based on tag quantity as well as tag quality and compared all conditions with each other in terms of both variables. Speaking of tag quality, not using gamification resulted in a significantly higher tag quality score when compared to one of the top-down conditions and user-created gamification. Contrary to this result, it turned out that not using gamification at all was the weakest approach among all conditions in terms of tag quantity. Significantly better were our top-down approaches, which were then again outperformed by user-created gamification. So, as we can already see, user-created gamification seems to boost user motivation at the cost of slightly decreased quality. But we also took a look at the different quantity scores after removing low-quality tags and found that, in total, user-created gamification still beat all other conditions significantly, hence produced the highest amount of tags of valuable quality. Additionally, we took a look at how the top-down group that was based on one of the user-created concepts compared to the creator, and we can say that in both variables, quantity and quality, the creator outperformed the average top-down group participant. So, to shortly summarize, allowing users to create and use their own gamification in the image tagging context improves user performance even further than top-down gamification, but might decrease tag quality slightly, which then again is compensated for by filtering out low-quality tags and the higher quantity.